Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
The Learn, Develop, Live podcast brings you another 1 minute of motivation, and here is your quote for today. Never look down on someone unless you're helping them up. Everyone is fighting their own demons, whatever they may be. Some people are trying their absolute best, but maybe it doesn't seem like it to you. But for them, this is just the way it is. If you look like you're doing better than someone else, don't look down on them unless you are, of course, helping them up. Everyone struggles, and everyone does need help at some point. Be the person with your hand out. You never know when you'll be that person yourself.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.